Hello. This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. February is not only the season of love, but also a time to show your library some love, too. Library Lovers Month runs all February long, so follow along for a tasty recipe from your library's cookbook collection. This month's cookbook highlight is the Cat Who Reunion Cookbook by Julie Murphy. Our featured recipe is scallops and Gruyere sauce. For your ingredients, you will need water, lemon juice, salt, scallops, canned mushrooms, chopped onions, butter, all-purpose flour, half and half, Gruyere cheese, white wine or more water, fresh parsley, and fine breadcrumbs. Step 1. Bring water, a 1/4 teaspoon lemon juice, and salt to a boil. Add scallops and simmer 7 minutes until tender, then drain. Step 2. Saute mushrooms and onions in 1 tablespoon of butter until tender. Remove from heat and stir in flour. Step 3. Return to heat and pour in half and half, stirring constantly until thickened. Add cheese and stir until melted. Step 4. Stir in wine or water, half a teaspoon lemon juice, and parsley, then add in the scallops. Step 5. Pour into a casserole dish and set aside for the moment. Preheat your oven on high broil. Step 6. Melt half a tablespoon butter, mix with the breadcrumbs, and sprinkle on the scallop mixture in the dish. Step 7. Broil uncovered in oven for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown, then carefully remove and serve. Now all that's left is to enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPO Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.